Hello everybody, welcome to this video. We're here in Cbeebies Land and I'm going to be checking out the proposed site for the new roller coaster coming to this area. Here is the proposed site, Postman Pat's Parcel Post. This ride, there's been recent planning documents come out where this ride will be being removed and replaced with a pretty simple looking roller coaster for the area, which is rumoured to be Bluey themed. Yeah. This site is a massive site and it's actually not going to take up this entire site. And that brings us on to Get Set Go. As you can see, it goes straight through the site here. And we're showing you what's going to be happening with that. So the bug we go around will be being, the track will be moved, and you can see footer here, and if we go over here, more groundwork happening down there. And instead of it going through this building you see right there, we'll come around here, go straight over and back straight through the trees that way. And that's the proposed plan of the reroute for Get Set Go. And obviously the new Blue coaster will be replacing Postman Pat. So the Get Set Go all across here won't cut, so it'll cut out this entire top section of Get Set Go, which obviously that's gonna mean it's gonna be massively shorter, not have that little inside section when it goes through the building. But yeah, the coaster will come up here. See the picture of the plans it's a pretty circular layout with a few theming pieces. The car parks behind this fence. There's gonna have a whole maintenance shed for the ride, stuff like that, all over there, and the coaster will be situated here. Very interested to see. Currently got a 35-minute queue time. See, it is still popular. I'm very surprised that they are actually getting rid of this ride. Obviously, any age can actually go onto it as well. So it's a ride for all ages. It's perfect for the area, and I'm surprised that they are getting rid of it. So that is it for this first part, and probably the construction series that we're going to see for this new roller coaster being built. Please like, subscribe, and we'll see you whatever the next video may be. Goodbye.